What is the Great Red Spot? You've probably seen photos of Jupiter, massive, striped, mysterious. But what if I told you one of the planet's most iconic features is actually a storm so large it could swallow Earth 2, maybe 3 times over? Yeah, that giant reddish oval isn't just a pretty swirl, it's chaos, controlled chaos. They call it the Great Red Spot, but that name doesn't even come close to capturing what's going on. This isn't your average storm. It's a swirling beast, an anticyclonic tempest that's been howling in Jupiter's atmosphere for at least 350 years, and likely much longer. Spinning with winds exceeding 430 kilometers per hour, it sits in the planet's southern hemisphere like a never-ending wound in the sky. Unlike storms on Earth which form and vanish in days or weeks, this one refuses to die. Scientists believe it's trapped between powerful jet streams that feed its fury, keeping it spinning like a cosmic blender. Now here's where it gets weirder. Jupiter doesn't even have a solid surface. So this storm isn't slamming into any ground to slow it down, it's floating. A monstrous, hovering hurricane, powered by Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere and fed by dynamics we still don't fully understand. Think about that. Earth's fiercest storms are toddlers compared to this ancient planetary giant.